Oh shit.
Ah, fucking pussy out. Damn it.
That would have blown up in your hand. Hey, we out here. We just fucked up.
We just fucked up.
Eagle River.
I'm doing it. Fuck this shit.
This
We're
motherfucker.
gonna fucking do it.
What shit? Where'd it come from? Whoa!
Fucking have some fun.
Oh yeah, brother. Yeah, we out here. 2018, I think. Yeah, it's a
shit.
Friday.
We don't know what year it is, but shit, we're up here.
Just got off work, got paid, motherfucker. We're out here, man. Got the new whip. We're whipping. Gosh, she's cold up here. She's out here. About to light out some fireworks. Maybe piss off some neighbors. We got big plans for this weekend. About to head over to this little camp we see across the lake. Probably don't see it now, but probably wake up early in the morning, head over there in the kayaks, yeah, and the paddle boat too, or paddle board, I should say. It might die tomorrow. Who knows? This camera might die. Almost forgot. Jesus Christ, that could have been bad. We got a fucking wave runner. Might not be able to see it. Goddamn 800cc. That motherfucker rips. She's a beaut. Yeah. Gonna be a good one. We're gonna rip that one tomorrow. Hell yeah, rip that one.
What's up today, bro? What are we doing?
Hey, bro. Great day to be alive.
Fuck yeah, it's a great day to be alive.
Fucking trees over there, guys.
Way over there.
We're gonna be.
We're fucking sending it. We're gonna take the fucking paddleboard. We're taking that kayak. We're going all the way over there. We don't give a fuck. Wind's blowing, birds are soaring. Good, we're good. Bandit Island. Oh yeah. Let her go, bro. I'm coming. Oh! Alright. Well, where are we? Okay, So we found this island. Shit, we're on this island and fuck, I don't know what's going on.
Shit, man. I think there's people here. It's infested.
I don't think they want us here either. All right, we're at Mount Hood. There we go. That's our hill right there. Psych. It's a ski hill though. Look at all this shit. It's like all old like ski tow rope or something.
Tubing rules. Oh, it's tubing.
Oh, tubing. Oh shit. Emergency stop.
Ski tip. Pull it.
Oh, what?
Chalk. First aid. Blanket slings. Splints. First aid. Ah, shit.
Oh shit.
Bro, we could get some skis. Bro, this is... And we're gonna have a generator too.
Flashlight. Dude, a battery. No, what is that? No, that's a lighter, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, shit.
Lighter blew up.
Oh, look at this up here. Whoa.
What?
Fuck that, I ain't going
Get
up
up
there.
there, bro.
Yeah, bro, come on in, bro. You know,
Bro, where are we, bro? We're out.
What is this, a meth lab or some shit?
Bro, who's fucking smoking meth out here? Oh shit.
Go under there, you won't.
Looks like asbestos.
Oh, that's sand, bro. Fuck you mean?
Maybe.
Maybe. Fuck that, we ain't going in that meth lab, that shit.
Hell.
Hey. It's just like this. Alright, stopping up. Okay. So, what do we got going up here?
I don't know, man. We'll fucking find out.
Look at all this shit. There you go. Dude, that's built in America for sure. Back like early 1800s, 1700s or something. Look at this shit.
Over here.
Like, hey, we do. Time number 2, gonna send it. Here we go, easy. Don't even think about it. Come on, bro. Don't think about it, bro. Don't think about it. Oh, almost. Don't use that top part, bitch.
What?
Come here. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck is all this shit? Look at all this shit. I know. Holy. There you go. Oh my! Damn. Alright, let's get it. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh my god, you're gonna be floating on that shit. Guarantee it.
You dog. Okay, hold on. I'll turn it on.
What? Oh, you're just walking on tree branches.
Walking on a tree branch, bro.
Don't go through.
Okay, we're done.